Hello children, welcome back to Standard 3 language. Today we will do lesson 20 conjunctions. So let's get started. Conjunction definition. A conjunction is basically a part of speech that connects sentences, phrases or clauses together. Types of conjunction. There are basically three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Example of conjunction: Alex and Robin are playing together. And conjunction: Alex plays well but Robin plays better than him. But conjunction: I play cricket and Robin plays football. And conjunction: when he was sick, I went to see him. To conjunction. So here are the definition and few examples of conjunction. Let's have a look of conjunctions. And, but, because, so, or, if, although, with their example, and we will see where we use these conjunctions, when to use and where to use. And is used to join words or sentences that shows a similar idea. When there is a similar idea, we use and. I have a pencil and an eraser. Patricia and Siti are neighbors. Because they are neighbors, so and, pencil and eraser, similar, so. But is used to join two ideas that are opposite. Whenever there are opposite ideas, that time we use but. Param is poor but he is happy. He fell into the drain but was not hurt. Here you see he fell down but he was not hurt. So opposite idea, he is poor and he is happy too. Opposite idea. Because is used to show reason. Whenever we have to show reason, that time we use the conjunction because. I did not go swimming because it was raining. We could not sleep because it was too hot. So is used to show result. When we use so we used when we want to show any result. Like it was raining. So due to raining, what happened? The game was cancelled. So the result of rain was the game cancelled. So it was raining, so the game was cancelled. She studied hard, so she passed the test. She studied hard, so the result was she passed the test. So, or is used to show a choice. We use or when we give a choice, to show a choice. Example: do you prefer tea or coffee? Means we are giving a option, we are giving a choice. To show that, we use the conjunction or. You can order pizza or try fried chicken. If is used to show condition. I will not go if Cindy goes. If you see Darius, tell him that Mrs. Tan wants to see him. Although is used to show two opposite statements. But we use when two opposite ideas are there. Although we use when there are two opposite statements. Although she was sick, she still went to the school. Although he is tired, he continues working. Now children, you take out your book, Collins English Grammar and Composition of Standard 3, and turn to lesson 20, conjunction, page number 78. So let's get started. Read about that what Trisha, Sandy and Mona plan to do and fill in the blanks. So here Trisha, Sandy and Mona are planning something and we have to read these sentences and fill in the blanks. Let's do it. Mona says, let's go to the park and play. Sandy replies, but we did not bring our toys. Trisha says, let's play hide and seek. Or we can fly kites. There are choice, so or. Similar idea, so and opposite thing, so but. I saw some children flying kites yesterday. We can play with them. Mona and Sandy stay together. We will have fun and make new friends. So whenever we make new friends, we have fun. So and similar ideas. Now see. Read these sentences. The cat and the mouse are friends. I like coffee, but my sister likes tea. Do you learn dancing or singing? Pamela switched on the fan because it was hot. The words in bold join words or sentences. These are joining words, connecting words, and they are called conjunctions. Words which join words, groups of words or sentences are called conjunction. Grammar bites we will see. We use and to join similar words or sentences as I have already shown you. We use or to show choice. Should I eat a banana or a pie? We use but to show difference. Shobha likes to sing but Radha likes to dance. We use because to explain why something happened, to give reason. He got wet because he did not carry an umbrella. Now here we will do the exercises. Underline the conjunction in these sentences. We have to underline the conjunction in the sentences. The big jar contains mango jam, but the small jar contains mixed fruit. But butterflies look beautiful because they have bright wings. Because we can buy a pen or a pencil with this money. Or Praveer lives in a big house, but Raju's house is small. But now next page. Jack and Jill always stay together and I like him because he is very kind. Because fill in the blanks using and or but or because. So here we have to complete the sentence or fill in the blanks with the conjunctions. This is my pen and that is hers. I am hungry because he pushed me. He is angry because he pushed him. Are you going home or coming with me? 2 and 2 make 4. Do you want a pencil and an eraser? Nina is a tall and smart girl. Suresh solved the sum but Prem couldn't. Meeta had the book but she did not tell me. Now here you see. We can join sentences using conjunction. Look at some example. The dog looks funny. It is wearing a red hat. The dog looks funny. See, 2 sentences are there. And here you see full stop. But we will join these 2 sentences by using a conjunction. And whenever we are giving a conjunction, we will not give the full stop in between. And now we will not start the second statement in capital letter. Remember that. The dog looks funny because it is wearing a red hat. See, we have joined these 2 sentences by the conjunction because, and in place of the full stop because came, and I capital was there. We have started with the small one. This house is small. This house is comfortable. This house is small but comfortable. So we have omitted this whole sentence, not needed. So this house is small but comfortable. Walk carefully, you will fall. Walk carefully or you will fall. He is old, he is weak. He is old and weak. I am studying English. I have my English exam tomorrow. I am studying English because I have my English exam tomorrow. So we will do he is a doctor and she is a nurse. He eats egg. He doesn't eat meat. He eats egg but not meat. But he doesn't eat meat. Is your tea hot or cold? We can write like this. Is your tea hot or cold? Then I have paper, I have colors to make the drawing. I have paper and colors to make the drawing. No need of repeating I have 2 times in one sentence. Mr. Gupta is short but chubby. Short and chubby, not but, short and chubby. Mr. Gupta is short and chubby. She can sing, she can dance. She can sing or dance. Okay, children? You can play or study. He threw away the mango, it was sour. He threw away the mango because it was sour. So this how you can write all the sentences in your language book and complete your work. We will see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.